In today's episode, let's check out CycleBrand's Natya Kesari Incense. Namaste everyone and welcome to Om Incense Show with DJ, a show that helps you increase your incense quotient. So if you are an incense enthusiast, consider subscribing. So today we have here with us CycleBrand's Natya Kesari, which comes in a packaging like this. It's a cylindrical pack, and what we have on top is a CycleBrand logo which says symbol of quality, pride of Mysuru, Cycle Pure Agarbattis. And the Cycle Pure is a registered thing. Then the price is ₹20. It says Natya Kesari, which again is a registered name, and it says Natya Kesari Agarbatti, and then it's the same thing is written in one of the South Indian languages. And then we have some green design. So the overall look is that of orangish yellow kind of a color with green on both the sides. You see it like that. This is the brand name written, and this is something that's written in the South Indian language. This is what we have on one side. On the other side we have the same thing written in Hindi, so it says Natya Kesari Agarbatti, and the same name is written in a few South Indian languages. And then we have the NR Rangarao logo, manufacturing and address and consumer complaint number and stuff, and it says contents handcrafted agarbattis 37 grams, and this is for 20 rupees. Then we have a scanning code and a barcode. Then it says caution, and then it says about creating your custom incense at Cycle, carbon neutral logo, green earth logo, and responsible care logo. Then again we have the same thing, Cycle brand logo, symbol of quality, pride of Mysuru, Cycle Pure Agarbattis. And then we have the detail of the packaging material manufacturer. So this is what we have. So that's how the pack is, English and then Hindi. And it opens into a cylindrical thing like this, which is, it's a cylindrical cardboard which comes like this, and inside this we have a branded a branded plastic pouch, a plain plastic pouch with branding on this, Cycle brand in blue. What we have inside is an average size 9-inch agarbatti incense, and it has a yellow core which is like strong, sturdy and smooth rounded one. So this is what we have. It's a normal black agarbatti. It smells very faintly of coconut to me. There's no other fragrance to it as such in the cold incense, so let's light up the incense and check out the fragrance of it. Let's see what the smoke of it is like. So let's do that. Because of some network issue here at my house, the last Friday issue, which was which is the best sandalwood incense, I'd reviewed around 3 sandalwood incense sticks, and I'd said that I'll be reviewing 3 incense cones, as in 2 incense cones and 1 incense dhoop, in the coming week. I mean, not this Friday but the coming Friday. And there was, because of the problem, it didn't get uploaded on Friday night, the usual Friday 8 p.m. didn't get uploaded. Then it got uploaded in the morning sometimes, So just in case if you missed that episode, you might just want to go and check out the channel list, and you'll find it there. It's a nice sweetish kind of incense fragrance. It has that slightly coconutty tone that was there in the cold incense as well. So that's the only 2 tones that can be made out as of now. It has a very, very slight floral tone to it, as in the jasmine floral tone to it, that greenish jasmine floral tone. So that is also there. And then it has a nice wooden base fragrance to this. So that's the kind of fragrance you get from this. Sweetish, coconutty, jasmine floral type, and wooden base. That's what we get. Wood as in the fragrance, you know, the smell that you get from nice dry wood, as in proper wood that you have. That is the kind of fragrance that you get here. If you ever walked in a carpenter's workplace and they have the woods there, that is the kind of fragrance, that woody tone that I said, the base in the wood is like that. So that's the overall fragrance of it. It doesn't come as single notes of these stuff, but comes as a natural, you know, very well-rounded fragrance, and it's quite good. So that's there. If we talk of intensity wise, it's not very strong. It's in fact very, very mild. So it's very mild. It's the kind of fragrance that grows on you, just doesn't come to life like just, you know, like that. And so if you like that kind of fragrance which is very mild, which, you know, takes time to get the fragrance profile out, the fragrance takes time to make its presence felt to you, and it's that nice sweet coconutty jasmine floral type wooden base type of fragrance. So if you like that kind of fragrance, you might want to go for this. And like always, you might want to light this up for your puja, for your jap, your dhyan. You might want to light it up in the evenings in your balcony, at your main gate, at your main door. In fact, you know, that's a very good practice. Trying to, you know, put up incenses at your main door is a very good practice. Most of us should do it. It invites auspiciousness into your space. It's a very good thing to do. And also lighting up an incense outside your house somewhere, probably in the balcony, on the terrace, somewhere, you know, in the evening is a very good idea as well. So for all those things, you might want to use this, because if this is a bamboo incense, so if you don't want to, you know, light it up inside your house, you can do it outside. So that can be a good idea as well. So if you like that kind of mild fragrance with that kind of little fruity and floral tone, you would like this. So that's Natya Kesari, and that's it. If I have to give this a star rating, the DJ star rating, I would like to give it a star rating of 2, because I am really not very fond of that coconutty fragrance. But if you are, you might just want to give this probably 4 or 5. So that's the kind of fragrance this is, because it's this mild coconutty kind of fragrance. Very little that undertone of coconut is there. So if you like that kind of fragrance, you would really like this. So last to last episode, the quiz was, which is your favorite sandalwood incense? Let me know in the comment section below which is yours. Mine is Aurobindo Ashram's sandalwood incense. That's my favorite, because I like that woody fragrance that incense gives out. I like that proper woody fragrance, as in the fragrance of a dry sandalwood. That's the kind of fragrance it has, and I like that kind of fragrance. It's mild, it doesn't overpower your senses, it doesn't just come to life like that. It takes time to grow up. The fragrance profile takes time to build up. I like that fragrance. I use a lot of it in my puja and my havan, and even if I don't want to, you know, light up bamboo incenses inside my house, I use it on my main door, you know, at my main door and in the balcony. So that's how I use it. That's about my favorite sandalwood incense. Let me know which is yours. And the quiz for today is, which is your favorite tribal art form? So I have, if you know, 4 of the heritage incenses. One is Varli, one is Sanji, one is Madhubani, and one is Santhal. Let me know which is your favorite, and so, you know, it'll help me decide which one to review first here for you. So I hope you enjoyed today's episode and learned something from it. If you think somebody else can learn something from it too, share it with them. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and till we meet again next, take very good care of yourself. Namaste.